Welcome back to the channel, everybody, here at ClearCryptos. And Shibarium beta launch enters final stage per the lead Shiba Inu developer, Shytoshi Kusama. And Shibarium is set to deliver something massive for the SHIB community. Number one, it ties this entire ecosystem together. Bone is going to really have a ton of utility. Of course, we know about it being the governance token within the SHIB ecosystem, but now it's going to be used for gas when Shibarium does launch in its full form. We also know that Leash is part of this ecosystem as well, and Leash is the store of value. Also was used to grab Shiboshis, right? And will be used for other ventures like this in the future. Now, here's the thing people are most excited about when it comes to Shiba Inu and Shibarium. Of course, yes, tying the ecosystem together is one thing. However, the other really big thing that people care about, people are excited about, is burning Shiba Inu. Now, the devs in their latest Medium blog update, blog update on ShibaSwap, did say that every transaction that goes through Shibarium will burn SHIB. Now, here's what we don't know. We don't know just how much SHIB will be burned via every transaction. We're still waiting on all those details, but this is set to deliver, and we've been waiting for this for a very long time. I'm super excited to finally see what Shibarium is going to do and will do for the entire SHIB ecosystem. We've got so many things to look forward to here in 2023 when it comes to SHIB and its entire ecosystem. Of course, we still have the metaverse that's coming up very, very soon as well. It'll be worked on throughout 2023 and will be massive in terms of bringing future companies into the SHIB ecosystem to sell products in e-commerce, for example. Very much looking forward to this year, and it started off on the right foot here with Shiba Inu and Shibarium. I just want to let you guys know Shibarium is here, and it's going to deliver for the SHIB ecosystem. We'll be covering it for you, and I'm super excited about it. What are you guys most excited about? Drop down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be bringing you up to speed on all the details as more information comes out with Shibarium. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next video.